Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the festival event rewards in Heartopia new festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The new festival event update has been released in Heartopia, and you can click on this balloon icon to open up the event, and you need to finish the weekly challenge and also the cooking challenge, the gardening challenge, and so on to get rewards. Okay, I'm going to claim it, and I've just obtained salad, and I'm going to show you guys how you can claim the festival event reward. So you just need to go to this menu. Okay, and the event or the festival event is called the Dreamlight Cinematic, and it's still week 1. Okay, and these are the rewards guys. You will get this popcorn serving cart recipe, and then the recipe for gravel flooring, and this recipe for a cinema director chair, and so on. If you want to claim the reward, just click on the item and the reward will be claimed automatically. I've already claimed the reward. You can see this checklist icon. It indicates that I have claimed the reward. Okay, don't forget to claim your rewards here guys, and you will get limited items from this event. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the festival event rewards in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!